Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Ford Kuga 2.0 TDCi EcoBlue ST-Line, finished in stylish gray, with half-leather and Alcantara sport seats. At the front, the ST-Line trim gives the Kuga a sharp athletic presence with a blacked-out grille, sculpted lines, and a confident stance. From the side, the SUV shape is enhanced by 19-inch alloy wheels, sleek roof rails, and a lowered ST-Line ride height for that sporty edge. At the rear, it's clean and confident with LED lighting and a smart tailgate line. Powered by a 2.0-liter EcoBlue diesel engine, the Kuga delivers efficient and smooth performance, ideal for commuting, road trips, or family life. Cruise control and stop-start technology ensure a relaxed and economical drive. Inside, the Kuga's cabin feels sporty yet refined. You get supportive half-leather Alcantara sport seats, red contrast stitching, and a Sony sound system that elevates the in-car audio experience. In terms of technology, the Kuga is well equipped with Android Auto, Apple Carplay, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and built-in navigation via the central touchscreen, keeping everything at your fingertips. In the back, there's plenty of legroom and comfort for passengers, with quality materials and thoughtful design throughout. And in the boot, you'll find a spacious load area, perfect for luggage, shopping, or outdoor adventures. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration ML17WHD to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.